we are going to practice in this video is the sound B. Repeat after me, B. 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 B in bird. Again, bird. Basket. Again, basket. Bar. Again, bar. Buzz. Again, buzz. Bill. Again, bill. Blue. Again, blue. Blanket. Again, blanket. Bathroom. Again, bathroom. Bulb. Again, bulb. What other words have the initial sound B? Very good. Now, B in rubber. Again, rubber. Tumbler. Again, tumbler. Fiber. Again, fiber. Trouble. Again, trouble. Bubble. Again, bubble. Double. Again, double. Liberty. Again, liberty. Rubbing. Again, rubbing. Symbol. Again, symbol. What other words have the middle sound B? Very good. Now, B in crib. Again, crib. Hub. Again, hub. Cob. Again, cob. Club. Again, club. Crop. Again, crop. Shrub. Again, shrub. Herb. Again, herb. Sub. Again, sub. Bulb. Again, bulb. Let's have the final sound B. Now, let's practice phrases with this sound. Ready? Battle of the band. Again, battle of the band. Bleachers on the beach. Again, bleachers on the beach. Dribbling of the ball. Again, dribbling of the ball. Baby on the crib. Again, baby on the crib. Businessman's bidding. Again, businessman's bidding. Now let's practice sentences with this sound. Ready? Don't buy a toothbrush with a broken bristles. Again, don't buy a toothbrush with a broken bristles. I am busy baking my bread. Again, I am busy baking my bread. let's bleach your bronze bracelet. Again, let's bleach your bronze bracelet. Be afraid to sit on the forbidden bench. Again, be afraid to sit on the forbidden bench. Melted butter is better than cheese. Again, melted butter is better than cheese. The sound we just practiced in this video is the sound ba. Repeat after me, ba. 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 I hope you enjoyed the practice. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.